Hello, my name is Pat Dennis with Youreka, and today I'm going to take a few minutes and show you an example of how a hotel group could use Salesforce and Youreka together to manage property inspections for a group of hotels. To begin, it's important to understand that Youreka is the #1 smart forms application for Salesforce customers. We're 100% native to the platform, and we make it easy to build and administer forms for all your users across your Salesforce environment. Our demo story today begins with Sam, who's a hotel general manager, and Sam is going to request that an inspector come and visit his location and do a full inspection of the property. When he submits that request for an inspection, it's going to get routed to Rebecca, who will review the request and ultimately turn it over to Anne to go out on site and do an in-person inspection. And they're all going to use Youreka to do this job. So we begin with Sam in a Salesforce Experience Cloud site. Sam is going to interact with an Einstein chatbot, and that chatbot is going to suggest that Sam fill out a Youreka form to request the inspection. It's going to serve him with a form that he needs to complete, and that form is going to guide him through a series of questions. And as he fills out the form, it's going to show and hide new information and new questions that he needs to complete in order for the inspection request to take place. He can even upload files and photos of some of the projects that he's done this past year at the hotel. When he's finished, he'll sign and submit the form, and Rebecca will be able to receive all the information that he just completed right here in Service Cloud. She'll review the request and even be offered some next best actions or some insights about the form that was just submitted to guide her as to what she might do next. Now finally, Anne is going to go out and actually inspect the hotel, and she's going to use the Youreka mobile app to do this. From the Youreka mobile app, she can see all the different inspection forms that she needs to complete while she's on site today. And as she begins filling out the form, she'll notice that it's pre-populated with information about the hotel. And as she begins to collect information, it's going to show and hide new sets of questions and content, guiding her through her process. She's allowed to take pictures of the things that she sees at the hotel. And what's more is, as she goes through, she's able to pass or fail certain items within the inspection. And to the extent that it's necessary, she's able to collect more free text information elaborating on why she passed or failed that specific item. What's more is that the form will continue to show her key information and instructions about what she's doing at any given moment in time. Now, when she's finished with this form, she'll go ahead and sign and submit. And if she's offline, if she didn't have internet connectivity, she would still be able to do everything you just saw here today. But if she's online, all that information is going to seamlessly sync back with Salesforce. All the data that she collected during the inspection is going to make its way back to the database in Salesforce. And key insights and recommendations about what happened during the inspection are going to be exposed to the users in the back office. And all the information that she filled out while she was on the Youreka mobile device is available for an end user in Salesforce. Now, every single form that you saw in this demo today is built using Youreka's drag and drop editor. It's easy to use and is made available to business users to configure these forms. What's more is all the data that is collected with Youreka lives inside Salesforce, so you can use reports and dashboards to analyze and consume the information. Now, what you saw here today was just one example of using Youreka and Salesforce, but it's important to know that Youreka works across the platform for just about every industry. I want to thank you so much for watching this short product demo here today. If you'd like to learn more about Youreka, you can visit us online at youreka.io.